Hi guys, it's us, Lockie and Ethan. We're going to be showing you our
failing racing car tricks.
yeah.
We hope you're gonna like it, and if you like it, please subscribe. Okay? Yep.
So we're gonna go like.
Yeah, we're just gonna start now.
Yeah. Yep. So wait. Yeah, let me set it up. Wait. Set it up.
Sorry, my fault.
And you have to go as fast as you can.
Okay, just ready? Set.
Okay, go. So see, that was fails. Yeah, we're going to show you two more fails.
Yeah. We hope we can try and get it to work next time. Yeah. We just swear. If it doesn't work, I'm going to kill myself.
That's why I didn't want you.
I'm just going
to look at
to kill myself.
Because now I don't know what
Don't worry, just had a little trouble there.
Oh,
sorry,
that was a fail.
That's my fault. I swear to God, that is my fault.
Okay,
That's my fault. I'm not going to fail this time. I'm going to make this one awesome as. Just going to watch this. Ready? Yeah! Oh, you got me! Oh,
Here, let me have a shot.
yeah, I'm going to let Ethan have a shot. He's like way better than me.
Yeah, I will.
That's why I did not.
Ready?
The remoting.
Just ready? It's going to be awesome, guys.
Wait.
What's up? Oh, sorry, the antenna's wobbling. It's all good. It's all good.
Okay. What? Wait. What? No.
What?
Fail. Guys, fail. Sorry.
That's
Sorry.
my fault.
I'm not good at remoting.
Oh, you told me the best yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Oh, I forgot.
Because now I don't know what you do.
It's all wobbling.
What? Really? What? Wait, hey! No!
Hey!
It fell over. We're alright. It's just a little muddle up. Okay.
Yeah,
We failed. Wait, no, we didn't.
there we go. Okay, yeah.
Sorry,
This
guys.
is the
That's all we've got for today.
Yeah, but please subscribe. This is gonna be awesome.
And we hope you like our other videos.
Yep.